the best part, the sound.
Is it not going in?
Aggressive now.
Is it not going in far enough now? No?
Oh, she is slobbering all over the place.
She wants it so bad.
What if you take it away?
What? Here. I'll let you do it.
No, Chris, help me.
So much slobber.
So slobbery.
Yeah, she likes when you wiggle it.
Yeah. Hi.
Are you excited to be on vacation?
So
Yes.
excited. It's the best.
Southern hospitality.
Oh no, don't cry. Oh.
Oh, it's 12 o'clock.
Literally.
To eat.
So,
Is that what you're expecting?